I bought these artificial outdoor flowers to refresh my planters for spring, and I really like how easy they are to style. This set comes with 24 bundles in a pretty mix of violet, lavender, and faux eucalyptus greenery, so it gives the planters a fuller, more colorful look without needing real flowers. What I like most is that they are low maintenance. You don't have to water them, trim them, or worry about them wilting. They're also UV resistant, so they're made for outdoor spaces like planters, porch pots, patios, yards, and garden corners. I used them to fill my outdoor planter, and they instantly made the space look brighter and more put together. You can also mix them with other greenery or use them in baskets, window boxes, or indoor arrangements. Overall, these are a great option if you want that fresh spring flower look without the upkeep. They're simple, pretty, and easy to use for outdoor decorating.